I literally am just reassigning this and saying, do the other, do the other, do the other, going through. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be talking about today the best way to switch between true and false. So alright, I ran over this very quickly during one of the Pygame videos with pausing. So let's just think because we're going to use this in tkinter with buttons, and you need to keep track of if the button, perfect example, caps lock, if it's on or off, and we'll get there very soon. So all right, let's just say we're going to use the tools that we have, and then I'm going to show you a really clean way. So let's just say we need to track something, right? So this works, but it's not the most Pythonic. So this is just gonna go, we're in our loop, and it's just gonna go on forever. So, but then we need a condition to check, right? So right now, so if count, so there's two options, so even odd, right? So that's what we have right now in our toolbox. So at the start, so then it starts to run, and then it changes. So now it goes to false. Oops, getting ahead of myself. And then else, it kicks back over to true. Well, that is a lot of code, right? Oh, and we forgot to, at the bottom, no matter what, count +1. So this definitely would work. And then print now. So true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false, and so on and so forth. Just like that, going back and forth if we had a condition going back and forth. So this is a lot. So how about we just show the most Pythonic way. So we can get rid of this. And, well, we'll comment this out. While true, now, when I learned this a long time ago, I thought it was I thought it was awesome. That clean and clear. So what am I doing? I'm saying, and we know our Boolean. So true. If it's not true, what is it? False. And if it's not false, if you can spell false, there we go, it's true. I literally am just reassigning this and saying, do the other, do the other, do the other, going through. So I got kind of called out a little bit that I brushed over this in the Pygame video and did not explicitly teach this lesson. So apologize for getting a little out of order, but this is what this community is for. So as always, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to drop a comment, hit the like button, subscribe, notification bell if you're new here. And this right here is the best way to switch between true and false Pythonically. And if you want to support the channel, go ahead and click on that Patreon. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.